Hello guys, welcome back to new video. Before tutorial, don't forget to like and subscribe. So let's start.
Everything's gonna be alright. Everything's gonna be alright.
Oh, so suddenly you poison the air I breathe. But if you don't hate me, then why would you break me? Feel it in my bones, I'm about to lose control. Only so much I'm taking, so get yourself to safety. 'Cause baby, a storm is coming.